Keep watching to see how I transform my dresser from this to this. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Savvy Street DIYs with Shanice. This is officially my first YouTube video and I'm excited, and if you are here with me now, I would love to ask you to subscribe because this will be a space where I share all of my budget-friendly home decor and DIY projects to transform our house that we purchased 2 years ago now into a home. So if that's something that you're into or interested in, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. In today's video, I will be tackling my dresser organization. I believe about a year ago I saw Tidying Up with Marie Kondo and I felt so inspired to get my life in order, and yeah, a year later, here we are. But I finally tackled it and I have adopted the KonMari folding method and I am never turning back. So if you want to take a look at how I did that, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get into it. Now, the KonMari method requires that you gather all of your clothes in one area. I decided to go drawer by drawer only because I recently did a full-on purge in January. Also for the sake of working in small sections at a time because I know myself. I went through and touched each article of clothing to keep anything that sparked joy and separating the clothing that just did nothing for me. Now, Marie Kondo also says that you should thank the items for what they have done for you before getting rid of them.
Yeah, pulling and grabbing sheets, sweat dripping off of me, losing the track of time, Hey, that no, never mind, no, cause we got a job to do, I'm serving you, serving too, loving to never stop, taking you to the top, I'm gon' touch you like the first time, I'm gon' kiss you like the first time, I'm gon' love it like it's brand new, I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. Check me out, love.
Now that I've separated the pieces that I will not be keeping, let's start folding. So we're aiming for small rectangular shapes that can be stored vertically for easy access. So first we lay the clothing article flat. Then we fold each side inward towards the center. From there we do a half fold lengthwise, leaving a small gap at the end. And from there you can fold it into thirds, and some items can be folded into halves. I opted for thirds with the majority of my clothing.
I ain't into telling fairy tales. Listen to the hook. Casey, tell her how the story ends. I'm gon' touch you like the first time. I'm gon' kiss you like the first time. I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new, yeah. I'ma love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. Oh.
Now my husband decides to not let me be great and tell me the military folding is better. So he decides to fold one of my long sleeve shirts. He then said he needed to do it first on a short sleeve shirt.
Baby, you're looking so good. And you rocking that dress just like I knew you would. You make it look easy being so flawless.
Now this is him throwing in the towel. He gave up altogether on trying to fold one of my shirts and pulls out one of his shirts.
Put some Teddy P on while I be holding you tight.
And finally, success. He remembers the military folding.
I wanna hear my name. I'm gonna
Now, after that interruption, we can move on to my next drawer, which is my bottoms.
I'm gonna love it like it's brand new.
Now, this folding is quite simple. First, we fold the legs in half, and then fold the legs up, leaving a gap at the waistband. And from there, you can fold it in halves or thirds.
When I hold you, it's hard to let go. Pulling your hair, babe, let's get naughty. It's okay if we lose our control. Yeah. Pulling and grabbing sheets, sweat dripping off of me, losing the track of time, hey, that no, never mind, no, 'cause we got a job to do, I'm serving, you serving too, loving to never stop, taking you to the top, I'm gon' touch you like the first time, I'm gon' kiss you like the first time. I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. I'm gon' love it like it's brand new.
Check me out, love. My last chick labeled me a heartbreak kid. I done been in love before, I know how heartbreaks feel. The love ain't official if the heart ain't real. Let me be the reason that your heart's on here. Heels on high, lips on thighs, body on 10, you the type of nigga white. Your ex did you wrong, don't just do this out of spite, 'cause I'ma treat it like it's brand new every single night. We on our 10th episode, it's feeling like the first time. Everything I whisper's from the heart, ain't no rehearsed line. Tap it to your intellect, intercourse, indirect. Yeah, we make computer love, but we don't do the internet. Intercept the part where you was thinking like a man. Every nigga ain't the same, girl. Look what's in my pants. It's two sides to every story. I ain't into telling fairy tales. Listen to the hook, Casey tell her how the story
I'm gon'
ends.
touch you like the first time. Touch you like the first I'm gon' kiss you like the first time. Kiss you like the first I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. I'm gon' love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. Yeah. Love it like it's brand new. Yeah. I'ma love it like it's brand new. Love it like it's brand new. Oh.
Now it's time to put everything in my drawers vertically, nice and neat by size and color.
Baby, you're looking so good. And you rocking that dress just like I knew you would. You make it look easy being so flawless. They be jocking your style, but you go the hardest. Baby, let's dim all the lights. Put some Teddy P on while I be holding you tight. Oh, hey girl, still something different now. I wanna hear my name.
Now, next time I will fold some of my shirts outward so that I can see the wording on some of my shirts. But hey, we live and we learn. Now, everything didn't necessarily fit vertically, so I will likely revisit this in a month to see if there's anything that I don't really wear to do another purge.
In love with your beautiful body. When I hold you, it's hard to let go. Pulling your hair, babe, let's get naughty.
So like I was saying, you know, my pajama pants didn't quite fit vertically, so I had to store it, you know, on top. But nonetheless, I still can say that my drawers spark joy.
Hey, that no, never mind, no. 'Cause we got a job to do.
Thank you for watching, and hopefully you feel inspired to get your drawers organized. And leave me a comment below if you are team military folding or team KonMari. I'd love to hear what you have to say on the matter, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, and until next time.